If you're having issues with sharing the YouTube Shorts to other people or sharing it in general, in today's video, let me show you a couple of things that you can do in order to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can try out is try to look for any new updates available. So just hop out of the app of YouTube and then head over to Play Store or the App Store. Search for YouTube. If you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing the issue. The other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the data and cache of the YouTube app. Tap and hold the app and then head over to App Info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called Clear Data. You can just tap on it and then tap on Clear All Data. Now, other than this, what you can also do is try to uninstall the app of YouTube from your phone and then again re-download it. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the short share problem issue. Now, however, there could also be another case where the creator of the shorts has marked the video as made for kids. What this does, if the video is set to made for kids, the sharing and the commenting of the video would not be allowed. So if that is the case for you, you cannot do anything about it. You would not be able to share that particular shot. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll be back soon with more videos just like this.